Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is database, meaning and types. After going through this course, the students will understand that data means raw facts, and when we process and transform these raw facts into meaningful facts, then it becomes information. We will also understand the difference between data and information. While the data may or may not be useful, information is always useful. Data does not depend on information, whereas information is obtained from the data. Data does not form the basis of decision making, whereas decisions are taken by the organizations on the basis of the useful data, that is the information. The students will also understand that database is a collection of relevant data. Then the students will also understand that there are some common types of databases such as relational database, NoSQL database, object-oriented database, graph database, new SQL database, in-memory database, time series database, etc. The students will also understand that relational databases organize data in the basis of tables where there are rows and columns. The relational database was introduced by E.F. Cobb, who was an English computer scientist. The students will also understand that NoSQL databases are suitable for unstructured and semi-structured data. The students will also learn that object-oriented databases store data directly in the form of objects along with their attributes, and the graph databases store objects in the form of graph-like structures. The time series databases store time series data. The students will also learn about the new SQL and in-memory databases. The students will learn that DBMS works as an interface between the users and the database. And when a request is sent from the user, the DBMS processes this request and looks for the desired information from the database and sends the output to the user. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.